I I have this tight. As tight as fucking possibly could be. Rosy red cheeks. Yeah, whew. 19 degrees out Fahrenheit. Um, but me in the morning sunshine are on a motherfucking sunrise hike. I started at 7:07 a.m. I'm moving swiftly, but I hit western spot with the water. And it was fucking, oh my God, it was fucking whipping. That wind was whipping. I was like, oh, I know about this. But then I saw like 5 at least of my 70 to 80-year-old neighbors out on their walk leisurely this morning. And I thought, you're half their age. Fucking move your ass. So here I am doing it. And here we are. I've been on the trail half an hour now, and I am now on the eastern. Oh, that's a sheet of ice. That's a sheet of ice. Oh, slip sliding away. Slip slide. Yesterday I did this trail. It was so calm. You were here. That's the last video of the wilderness. But I got to show you the next morning, the day after, the calm before the fucking wind. I guess we are getting wind this morning, although the weather report did not report this. Anyway, I'm on the northern side. I'm sorry, I'm on the northern side right here. That's north. That's like north. Well, I forgot what I was saying because I just slipped to my almost. Tide's coming in. 2 more hours till high tide. I'm yelling because I don't know what this wind is gonna do. Anyway, peace. I'm feeling alive. Yeah, I feel alive. I feel that wind biting my cheeks and my nose, Jack Frost, nipping at my nose. And another 20 minutes gone by, and I'm on the eastern side, and there's no wind, and it's calm. It's perfect. Oh, sunrise was like an hour and a half ago, but I can still consider it a sunrise hike. And you don't need to rush. It's calm, it's peaceful, and I'm fucking grateful.